It was a bright sunny morning, and Bunny woke up full of energy. But when Bunny looked at his breakfast bowl, something was missing. Oh no, Bunny's biggest, juiciest carrot was gone. Bunny quickly called his best friend Bird for help. "Don't worry, Bunny, we'll find your carrot together," said Bird. Bird spotted tiny orange crumbs leading away from the house. "I saw something orange rolling toward the forest," said Squirrel.
No.
Together, they followed the little orange trail. A silly wind blew the crumbs in all directions. "I saw something orange bouncing near the river," said Deer. They hurried over the little wooden bridge. "No carrot here," Bird chirped from above. "Ribbit, I saw a carrot floating that way." They pushed through the soft, leafy bushes. These look like raccoon tracks," Bird noticed. "A carrot? Yes, I saw it roll into the meadow." Bunny and Bird entered the glowing meadow. "Bunny, look, something orange." Bunny hopped as fast as he could. But it was just an orange leaf. Oh no. "What was that?" Bunny whispered. Baby Hedgehog had found the carrot and was bringing it back. "Thank you, little hedgehog," Bunny said kindly. Bunny shared his carrot with everyone.